Today we're going to take a look at my Kbshimmer order. I'm super excited. I actually placed 2 orders. I really wanted this mistletoe so color polish because it was like a red to green shift, which I've never seen before. I really wanted that one for Christmas, but I can't remember when it came out, like if I was gone to Texas or whatever, and I didn't want to just order one polish. Otherwise, you know, with shipping, it's just not really economical. So when I got back, I ordered this one. The good thing about Kbshimmer is that they usually don't discontinue their polishes that I've even noticed, to tell you the truth. Maybe some older ones, but I remember they had like take it or leave it. I was looking at that one for literally years before I bought it, and they still had it. And I've noticed some of the other polishes that I have from them haven't been discontinued. So I was quite pleased about that. And then, so my first order was Mistletoe So and Chill Out, because I think I'm really addicted to reflective glitter polishes. The sickness, I don't know, it's crazy. But anyways, and then I saw these ones, which I was originally not going to get, but then I saw them and I kind of loved them. So I got Get Off My Tail, Dressed to Krill, and Superstar. So let's take a close look at these polishes. The first one we're going to take a look at is Mistletoe So, and that's described as a shimmering deep forest green base that changes into a cranberry red at different angles. So heads up, the swatches, you're not getting too much of the red look in because it's in different lighting, and my camera doesn't have those different lightings. But it really does change into a red from a green, and it's really beautiful. I would say most of the time it's green, but in certain lights and certain angles you do see the red. So I do love this polish. I'm really excited about this and kind of excited to wear it next Christmas. That'll be fun. This is pretty opaque in one coat. I'm gonna put on 2. The shift is really good. You have to get in different light sources to see the different ways. I don't know. The different colors. Here you see a lot of green. I'll see if I can show you some other colors. Like when you put your hand like this, in certain lights, it looks red. So it does have this red to green shift. It's just hard to see in this lighting, but it is pretty. Now this one is described as a sky blue polish with silver reflective glitters. And it also has a multi-chrome shimmer that changes from gold to pink, red, and warm orange. So that is really pretty. And when it was on my nails, I forgot to let you see what it looks like in low light. So I'm going to show you that right now. So here it is. I love reflective glitter polishes because in the sunlight or normal light, it's got this twinkle that's really cool. But in low light, it's just really great looking. My favorite glitters are the reflective glitters. I also love the rounded tip brushes. Kbshimmer's formulas are all very easy to apply, and this one is no exception, and it looks great in 2 thin coats. So now this kind of dries textured, well actually does dry textured, so it's good to put a glitter smoother over it. Smooth Moves is really good, and but I gave mine away. So, and I forgot to order a new one. I probably should have stuck that in my order. But anyway, so I'm just using Glitter's Best Friend, which is just as good. And as you're gonna add a glitter smoother to smooth out the glitter, 1 to 2 coats, usually 1 coat does the trick. And then you're going to put a top coat on over the top. So the glitter smoothers are not top coats. You still need a top coat. Now I'm just applying my top coat. So for the most part, it looks like this beautiful blue with a kind of a pinky shimmer in it, but at extreme angles, you can see more colors. I think this is the perfect type of color that I like to wear in January when it's nice and cold. I don't know, it just reminds me of frost and snow and stuff. This one is called Get Off My Tail, and it's described as a grape base, and it has a sea green hue that flips to shades of teal, blue, and indigo, and also has glowing hollow flakes. Purple is one of my favorite colors, and I love how mermaidy this polish looks. Here's the second coat, and this looks good in 2 coats. I love purple, blue, mermaid-like polishes, and this one's really great with those glowing hollow flecks. This one is Dressed Krill, and the description about this one says that in some lighting it is more of a hot pink color, and other lighting it's a coral or a red orange. So right now you're seeing more of the coral, but on my nails it looked more of the hot pink. This is the first coat of Dressed Krill. This is pretty sheer on the first coat. The second coat looks pretty good actually in 2 coats. I thought it might need 3. I think this one needs 3 coats. just a slightly sheer. I mean, not sheer, but I can slightly see my visible nail line. For the most part, it's this beautiful fuchsia color, and in some lights it shifts to like a red coral color. It's sort of like a pinky coral, deeper sort of red. This one is Superstar, and it has a bunch of different, I think it's different size hex glitters, silver hollow hex glitters. It also has silver hollow starfish shaped glitters. It's in a shimmery base that's a green to purple shift. Now I wanted to see what this Superstar topper looked like over the pink, but I didn't want to put it on my nails in case it looks bad. So I'm just going to do it over Swatch Sticks. And then I have a purple, which is Orly Synthetic Symphony. I'm just not sure. It has a blue, it's got a blue purple shimmer. Oh, kind of maybe even green. I don't know. It's got some kind of shimmer in it that might not look so great over the pink. Actually, I don't think it looks bad. All right, so that's pretty cool. And let's take a look at what it looks like over purple. It looks really good over purple. I like that over purple. Got a little starfish on there. Okay, so I'm going to put a glitter smoothing top coat over the top because these are thick glitter. I kind of think it looks best over a cream polish rather than one with a shimmer already on it. It doesn't look too bad over this pink, but it's a lot of shimmer. I really like it over this purple one though. And here they both are with they're top coated on top of that glitter smoother. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.